So in this corner of the nursery, I found the native purple coneflower, and you can see how much taller it is. And you can see that it's got these fine petals, which are really quite elegant and delicate looking. Now, the thing about these, they require staking. The other varieties, they've been breeding to be more compact so they don't get messy and require support. But it's well worth it, don't you think? I think it's worth the trouble. To add to our collection of purple coneflowers, look at these gorgeous varieties. I just think this is stunning. This is One in a Melon is the name of this apricot variety. Actually, I guess we should call it more like cantaloupe because it's just like a melon. And we have all kinds. Look at this one with the white in the middle, and then it's grows darker towards the edge. That's gorgeous. And that one's called The Fuchsia is Bright. The Fuchsia is Bright. Oh, wow. And this one here is called Fire Finch. And this one, look at this, gorgeous. It's a mixture, Summer Song Fire Finch. Both of them are on the same plant. It's a blend. That's neat. And look at this one. This one has a blend of those colors in one. See how they go? This is grown together as a combination. All different kinds blended together. Summer Song Fire Finch. Well, I think that's interesting. And these are very unique for, obviously, look at these petals, adding a little texture. These are called Yellow Darling, for a little bit of delicateness. And these ones here, Frankly Scarlet, and this one got mixed in. It's not Frankly Scarlet, it's a white. Here's the white one we saw at the other nursery the other day. Well, that's interesting. See how they make an interesting combination even together, all the different colors. Very nice. Let's see this one. This one is called Orange. What is this called? Artisan Soft Orange is this one. It's from the Artisan collection. And very nice. And then we have almost a pure yellow in the Sombrero Lemon Yellow. Very, very beautiful shade of yellow. Nice. And then this is a pure orange. This is called Sombrero Adobe Orange. A nice shade of orange. Pure color, beautiful. I think we've covered a great deal in this department. Hope you're having a beautiful day, everyone. Enjoy your garden. See these gorgeous